भिखारी की तरह तो बहुत लोग देखते हैं हमें। कितने लोग तो पानी पी के, बियर पी के गटर में फेंक देते हैं, हम लोग निकालते हैं। अभी देखो, ये काम में तो ऐसे ही रहना पड़ता है और काम करना पड़ता है। मैं खुद नहीं खाता हूँ, लेकिन उसको सेविंग तक नहीं करता हूँ कभी कभी।
बच्चों का क्या बाद में कि बच्चे भी इसी काम में लग जाते हैं या फिर और भी उनको काम मिलता है या फिर कैसे?
मेरा तो यही सपना है कि मैं ये काम कर रहा हूँ तो मेरा बच्चा ना करे।
You may have seen people walking around with big bags, dressed in worn-out clothes and looking messy. Those are rag pickers. They collect plastic bottles, paper, cans and other items thrown on the street and sell them to scrapyard for a very small amount of money. Many people mistake them for beggars because of how they look, but they are not beggars. In places like Goa, many migrants arrive looking for better jobs and living conditions. Most of them are uneducated and try to find work as the mason or laborers. When they don't get such jobs, they turn to rag picking. If that doesn't work out either, some of them sadly resort to begging. But it's important to understand that there is a clear difference between a mason, a rag picker and a beggar.
भिखारी की तरह तो बहुत लोग देखते हैं हमें, क्या करें अभी।
लेकिन उनको पता नहीं है कि ये काम दूसरा है और अच्छा काम है।
हाँ, मुझे तो पसंद है, इसलिए मैं करता ही हूँ। कोई मुझे कहता है ये छोटा काम क्यों करता है, भिखारी की तरह क्यों रहता है। अभी देखो, ये काम में तो ऐसे ही रहना पड़ता है और काम करना पड़ता है। अच्छे कपड़े पहनेंगे तो गंदे हो जाएंगे, तो हम लोग करते हैं। मुझे तो अच्छा लगता है, मैं कभी इसे हेट नहीं करता। कितना भी कचरा हो, रोड पे गिरा हो, तो भी मैं उठा के लेके चला जाता हूँ।
Who are rag pickers? Rag pickers play a very important role in managing India's garbage and protecting the environment. They sort thorough waste and collect recyclable materials, helping reduce pollution and save resources. If not for them, these materials would have been burned or dumped, which would worsen air pollution and environmental damage.
कितने लोग तो पानी पी के, बियर पी के गटर में फेंक देते हैं, हम लोग निकालते हैं। पूरा मैंने तो हर रोज़ निकालता हूँ। मैं तो गटर से निकालता हूँ, कहीं कहीं पे चैम्बर में भी अटक जाते, चैम्बर में से निकालता हूँ, हर जगह पे फेंक देते, तो हम लोग निकालते हैं। कोई म्यूनसिपालिटी निकाल नहीं पाता तो हम लोग निकाल के लेके आते हैं।
Despite the health risks they face, such as skin infection, rashes, and diseases like tuberculosis, rag pickers continue to do this tough job. Their work helps stop garbage from clogging drains and polluting rivers, lakes, and soil. Even though they may look unclean, they are quietly making India cleaner and greener. They deserve respect and support for their effort. Rising issues and violence. Unfortunately, rag pickers have recently been in the news for troubling reasons. On April 13th, a rag picker from Belgaum was found dead near kiosk outside Goa Medical College. He had head injuries on his head and foul play was suspected. This isn't the only case. On March 26th, another rag picker believed to be about 50 years old was found dead near Ravindra Bhavan, Margao. In another shocking incident on August 27, 2024, a man was stabbed to death with a broken glass bottle at Old Margao railway station, a known spot for criminal activities. Such violent cases shows the dangerous and neglected conditions rag pickers live in. With no help or guidance, many of them end up living on footpath, begging or getting involved in fights, sometimes over alcohol or scraps of garbage. Child rag pickers are also seen working in these unsafe conditions, which is heartbreaking waste of young potential. Why do we need rag pickers? Rag pickers are like crows of our society. Crows often seen as ugly and unlucky, but they help clean our surrounding by feeding on dead animals. In a similar way, rag pickers take on a dirty job of collecting garbage, especially from places even regular garbage collectors avoid. They may look untidy, but their work is valuable. Without them, our streets would be far more polluted. They help recycle waste, reduce trash, and even play a small role in fighting climate change. What can be done? The government needs to step in and provide better support for rag pickers. Local authorities like municipalities and panchayats should register all adult rag pickers in their areas. These workers should be given proper jobs in waste recycling, composting, and garbage management. Each rag picker should receive an identity card, a proper uniform, a sack, and a stick to safely search through garbage and deal with street dogs. Weekly supplies like soap, gloves, masks, and food. This will give them dignity, protection, and help them work more effectively. It would also improve the image of rag pickers and help manage waste in a more scientific way while reducing pollution. Child rag pickers should never be ignored. The government must help bring them to school with food packages and other rewards beyond the usual midday meals. That way, they can have a better future and escape the harsh life on the streets.
हाँ, ये तो होना चाहिए। हम लोग को कोई इंश्योरेंस सपोर्ट नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, हाथ पैर में लग जाता है तो खुद को खर्चा करना पड़ता है, फिर 2-3 दिन छुट्टी लेना पड़ता है, तो बाद में फिर ना घर भी नहीं चलता, कुछ भी नहीं चलता। आज कमाएंगे तो 1-2 दिन तक ही खाएंगे, उसके बाद नहीं खाएंगे। ऐसा है हमारा सिचुएशन।
डेली जो कमाते हैं वो 1-2 दिन तक चल जाता है।
बस उससे ज़्यादा नहीं चल जाता। अभी मुझे मेरे बच्चे को पढ़ाना है, तो उसका हर महीने का 2800 रुपये फ़ीस आता है, वो तो मुझे देना ही पड़ता है। स्कूल का फीस होता है, उसका पेंसिल टूट जाता है, बुक ख़राब हो जाता है, कपड़ा फट जाता है, कुछ ना, छोटा बच्चा है, कुछ ना कुछ हरकत कर दे, उसमें पैसे चले जाते हैं। लेकिन मुझे उसे ही पढ़ाना है, इसलिए मैं सोचता नहीं हूँ। मैं खुद नहीं खाता हूँ, लेकिन उसको सेविंग तक नहीं करता हूँ। कभी कभी पैसे हो तो करता हूँ, ये सच कह रहा हूँ मैं।
Some NGOs and government try to get child rag pickers to the school, but they refuse to come school saying rag picking has more money. Rag pickers are often ignored or looked down upon, but they do essential work for our cities and our environment. With the right support and the recognition, they can live better life and contribute even more to keeping our country clean. It's time we treat them with the respect and care they deserve.
You are watching